Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make peanut butter marshmallow fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I had something totally different planned for this installment, but I noticed a couple of days ago that next Monday is National Fudge Day. You know, I'm always looking for a reason to make fudge, and what better excuse than a national holiday? Okay, maybe it's not really a holiday, but it should be. Anyway, a recipe that's been on my list for a while is one that I found on the Taste of Home website that stars peanut butter and marshmallow. I've paired those up in one or two previous episodes with great results, but I'd never thought of them as fudge ingredients until I saw this recipe. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter marshmallow fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of half and half, 1 1/3 cups of creamy peanut butter, 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream, and some milk chocolate melting wafers and graham crackers for garnish. I'm also using a graham cracker crusher, an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment, a saucepan, a spatula, a thermometer, and a couple of small plastic bags. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan with parchment. Crush the graham crackers and set them aside. Combine the granulated sugar and half in a saucepan and heat it over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture starts to boil. Cover the pan for a couple of minutes to let the steam wash the sides of the saucepan. Add a thermometer and allow the mixture to boil without stirring until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the pan from the stove. Microwave the peanut butter and marshmallow cream for a few seconds to make them easier to mix, then add them to the saucepan and stir until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking pan and spread it evenly. Allow the fudge to cool for about half an hour, then melt the wafers, transfer the chocolate to a piping bag, and drizzle it over the fudge. Sprinkle the graham cracker crumbs over the top. Put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours until firm, then remove it from the baking pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. As my dad used to say, that's just like downtown. The fudge is nice and smooth and the flavor is phenomenal. Sometimes peanut butter can be very in your face, but the marshmallow here pulls it back and gives it a dreamy, creamy goodness. Absolute winner. I once asked my dad what that phrase meant and he said, I don't know, just that it's really good. So if you're looking for a fudge that's just like downtown, you really ought to try these. Combine the granulated sugar and whole milk. Nope. Combine the granulated sugar and